today we have our ozone generator from ONAMOR Clean and Healthier. I'm pretty excited about this thing. You know, I've been hearing incredible things about it online. I personally have no experience with an ozone generator, so we're going to see how this works. But I have an old house from the 1950s. We're on a slab. It's got a funny smell to it. That's definitely safe to say. And I'm hoping that this here ozone generator will help us to clear out some of those some smells. And let's see. We also have our little air meter from HUMA. So laser infrared detector. Takes a few seconds to fire up here, and then eventually it's going to start loading. As you can see, we have some particulate matter. We're going to wait for the VOCs to light up because that's what we're trying to go after here. Volatile organic compounds in the air. Metal. Got a good metal body. Alright, there you go. Got the volatile organic compounds registering. So we definitely know the air quality is fairly good, but it's not great. We're going to see what kind of before and after difference we can get out of this here ozone thing. Fair warning on the user manual. It told me that you're not supposed to be in the room while this thing is turned on. So we're going to disassemble it and make sure that the plates and everything are right where they're supposed to be. Oh, that's not a good sound. What is that? Oh, it's a screw? Oh, that's not a good sign. I just opened this thing and it's already falling apart. Okay. And that's where the fuse goes. Let's get back to the before and after. As you can see, we're moving, so we have some areas around here that are a little less. I got more. See if you put it in the fish tank. Bathroom. Okay. So that's our before. And we're going to see how it looks after. Well, ain't that interesting? So I am beginning the airing out process. And yeah. So it definitely did something to the house. Not sure what it did though. definitely killed some shit. Whew. Yeah, the whole house smells like bleach. And I'm going to let it air out. And then we're going to test it again. So in conclusion, this here ONAMOR Cleaner and Healthier genuinely works. You can see right here. I haven't even finished airing the house out, and it's already cut my volatile organic compounds in less than half. I am pretty impressed with this little thing. I ran it for 2 hours. The directions said it's going to take 10 to clean the house, and it did it in 2. Kick ass, man. I highly recommend buying one of these things. If you have allergies in your house, seriously consider getting an ozone generator. They're very apparently worth their weight in gold. But yeah, so the ionizer really works. It allegedly works by charging the oxygen molecules with an extra atom, so it becomes O3 instead of O2. And then I guess that form of oxygen is very volatile and breaks apart when it comes into contact with other living organisms. And that's why my tiny bathroom is apparently the cleanest room in my entire house. Things you learn.